For the first time in a long time, this is a Tennessee Amber.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Wilson County Sheriff's Office for Aubrey Brenham. Aubrey is a 16-year-old white female, 5 feet 3 inches tall, 125 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. Aubrey has a diagnosed medical condition. There is no known clothing description or direction of travel at this time. Aubrey may be with Hilario Fuentes. Hilario Fuentes is wanted by the Wilson County Sheriff's Office for contributing to the delinquency of a minor and solicitation of a minor. If you have seen Aubrey or Fuentes or have information regarding their whereabouts, please contact the Wilson County Sheriff's Office at 615-444-1412 or the TBI 1800 TBIFI North D.
So that's why this became an Amber, because there's more suspect information.
You're listening to NOAA Weather
This
Radio.
wasn't
All
necessarily an
hazards.
endangered child alert, but there wasn't any suspect information. We got WZTV on, our local Fox affiliate. They are known for letting CAEs. Whether or not they're going to now is a good question.
Start Saturday strong with Big News Saturday on Fox.
I want to take it with a grain of salt and say they will not, so cycle around a couple of the others.
On the go. Start your free trial.
2, 4, and 5 didn't relay. We'll see if 6 relayed, but I highly. Yeah, 6 didn't look like they relayed. 8 doesn't relay CAEs. Sounds like we got a silent relay from WZTV. And they do monitor NWR directly, as you can see.
Number 24.
30 either already went off or hasn't relayed yet, but they are also known for relaying CAEs. 58 either hasn't gone off or has not relayed yet. I wouldn't really call this a fail, because some encoders are actually set to where they only run a crawl and not the audio of the EAS alert.
From the time I walked in the door until...
My parents' TV just got interrupted, so I'm gonna go check this out. See you later.